What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello. And if return subscriber, what's up?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
Alrighty, guys. So in today's video, oh my god, guys, look at my makeup. I don't know why I made all those weird faces. I did want to go ahead and do this like new makeup technique because my makeup is always eating, okay, but I wanted to try like the UK black girl makeup and I'm obsessed right now. If you love me, go ahead and comment some clapping emojis because we're finally doing something different, okay? So in today's video, I did go ahead and install this beautiful 14-inch unit. You guys know I love the long bust down, but you know, sometimes we can switch it up. We can go a little bit more classier. I think this hair was super duper cute. So if you're interested in seeing me do these new makeup techniques, you're ready to slay your face, you're ready to, you know, start making your makeup look like this, and you want to know how I installed this wig and I made it just look like it's coming out of the scalp, okay? Definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, so this part of the video is sponsored by LUVME HAIR. This is their packaging. They have a mesh bag, a wig cap. They did go ahead and send me this pouch, which includes a wig band, a edge brush, and some earrings. So let's get into the star of the show. This is their 14-inch loose wave wig. This is their highlight wig. I did go ahead and pluck it off camera. Okay, so yeah, I have my bald cap on. I did that off camera as well. So let's go ahead and take the star and let's put this on our head. So this is what she's looking like. The curls are so bouncy. This is what it comes out of the box, okay? Out the box, it gives big bombshell curls, which I love that, okay? So what I'm doing is I'm just taking my Ghost Bond glue, I'm putting a layer down, and I'm just smoothing that right in front of my bald cap, and this is where my wig is gonna lay down and just give very much scalp because this is a real HD lace, okay? So this little fan I got from Amazon, you guys be loving this fan. This is like a little handheld fan. It's like $10. I love that fan so much. So I use that to dry down my first layer of glue, and what you guys see me doing here is going in with my second layer of glue, drying it down, and now we're ready for the put down, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys what I'm doing here. I'm putting it right in front of my natural hairline, making sure it's sitting exactly where I want it to sit, not too low and not too far back. Then I'm gonna take my rat tail comb and I'm gonna push the lace in. This helps push the lace in. This helps push the lace in, but not the hair, okay? Then I'm cutting off the excess lace. They always put that little excess lace on the side of closures. I just cut that off because that part's not gonna lay down. And then now we're using zigzag motions to cut off the excess lace. That was a mouthful, and that's the beautiful thing about YouTube, because if you didn't understand anything I said, guess what? You can always go back and rewind, okay? So after we cut off the excess lace, I went in with spritz. That's really gonna melt and make everything disappear. I went in with that, put my scarf on for 10 minutes, and now we are hot combing this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wig, okay? Today, I wanted to do a full transformation. I wanted to try my UK inspired, you know, makeup, but I also wanted my hair to just get very classy, very bougie, and also very effortless. That's the great thing about this wig from LUVME. It is just such an effortless wig. It comes pre-curled. It comes, lightly plucked, but I did go ahead and pluck it some more to my likings, but you can just wear it how it comes out of the pack. It's up to you. What I'm doing here is taking my Sheets Balm wax stick. So as you guys saw, first I hot comb it raw, no product, and then I go back in with the product of the wax stick, and that's just gonna give us such a, you see that? Look at my hairline. Oh, this looks so real. So now we're gonna go ahead and do some edges. I love a closure because they're so easy. Like if we had a frontal, we had to do our front edges, our sideburns. It's a lot more work. So if you're new to the wig game, if you're not that good at it, definitely start off with a closure like this. Because this wig comes pre-curled for you, it's very easy, and also because you don't have much of a lace, you just, you know, you can play with your edges a little bit more and just kind of, you know, get a feel of how to do your edges. So after I curled my edges with my 1/2 inch flat iron, I'm just taking my edge brush and I'm just doing a C-shaped motion to kind of get my edges how I want them. They weren't perfect, but I ended up fixing them a little bit more off camera. But yes, guys, I wanted my edges to also come out light and airy, guys. Oh my God, this look was so cute. So I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and we're going to comb out the beautiful curls that they left for us so the hair can have a little bit more volume. And then I'm going to go ahead and just grab my flat iron, and I'm only going to work this in the front of the hair, okay? I'm just going to curl it away from my face. And the way this curl is going to fall and frame my face is exactly what I want, okay? So this is how I do my flat iron curls. I actually have a tutorial of this on my channel in another hair video. So if you want to get a tutorial on how to do this, you can, but it's pretty simple. Just curl it away from your face, sliding down all the way to the tip of the hair, and then just wrapping it all the way to the top. And you know, you see, just pulling it down. So yeah, that just gives a beautiful, beautiful 70s inspired curl in the front. This is just so pretty. I am obsessed. I hope you guys are obsessed as much as I am. So last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and take my cream foundation and define my part. So next up, we're gonna go ahead and get into the face, the makeup, okay? So I did go ahead and take my Witch Hazel, put that on a napkin, and I'm just clearing off my skin. And this is what we're gonna use for our skin prep today. I did go ahead and go in with one of my favorite moisturizers. You guys can get it from Amazon. Every single thing I use will be linked down in my description box. So if you guys ever want to, you know, double back, just check that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I'm going to put that all over my face. So today we're going for a more high class bougie, so that's why I'm using my NARS. But if you wanted to use a more affordable version, you can go ahead and take the Juvia's Place Hydrating Foundation, okay? So with my NARS foundation in shade Tahoe, I'm just lightly tapping this into the skin. Also, you see I'm grabbing my sponge instead of a brush because I really want a skin-like finish. A brush is going to give me more full coverage, but a sponge like we're using today is going to give us more of a soft, light skin finish. And the sponge I'm using today is from Amazon. It's the Paw Paw Beauty Blender. So I did go ahead and take a little bit more product of the foundation just to have a little bit more coverage. You know, I love me a nice full coverage look. So I'm just getting a little bit more coverage just to hide my beauty marks and, like, I guess freckles. I don't know, but I'm just hiding that. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in medium warm, and I'm going to do the famous technique. We're just putting it on the front portion of our eye, and then we're also doing it on the outer portion of our eye, and then we're going to complete our full T-zone. So back in with the Paw Paw Beauty Blender, you're going to go ahead and pat this into your skin, literally patting, not dragging, not rubbing, not slipping, not sliding. Girl, you just want to pat, 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 and that's what's just going to diffuse it and make everything blend like butter. So now with my under eyes, I look crazy because I'm looking all over the place, but the reason why I look up sometimes is because I want to stretch out my under eye, and that's what's going to help with us not having any creasing, okay? So we're just blending it out, and we're trying to keep the concealer exactly where we placed it and not move it around too much, if that makes any sense. But yeah, just take your beauty blender, take your time, and pat this until it just looks very seamless. All right, my loves, so now we're going to take my black opal foundation stick, and I'm in shade Hazelnut. I'm going to go ahead and lightly contour. Okay, we're going to contour my cheekbones and my nose. Because I have very dramatic edges, I didn't contour my edge, my forehead, but that's okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a Real Techniques blending brush, and I believe this is the brush in 402. This is just a small dense blending brush, and I just blend out my nose contour. Then I take my angled brush from Wet n Wild. This is like a Dollar Tree angled brush, and I just literally blend that upward, and it just diffused that product. So here's the new technique. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my face powder from MAC. You do not have to use the MAC Studio Fix. You can use whichever one you have, Fit Me, Black Radiance, whatever. You're going to go ahead and set with the face powder first, okay? You're going to set your under eye with your face powder. I use a very bright one. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my setting powder over my face powder, and now I'm going to bake. So first you're going to blend out your concealer, then you're going to set it with the face powder, and then you're going to bake. Now, I only did this technique with my under eye. Everywhere else we went straight into the baking method, but you guys saw in the beginning of the video how flawless our makeup looks. So definitely try this technique. You're not going to regret it if you haven't tried it. This is my new found technique, and I'm obsessed with how my makeup came out today. So to set my cream contour, I did go ahead and take the bronzer from Morphe Glamour Bronze. Unfortunately, this is sold out. Morphe does offer other bronzers, but not as much as a shade range. So you can go ahead and try out the Juvia's Place, which is also a really good bronzer. But I am using Juvia's Place blush. This is in volume 5, and I just took that nice bright pink shade, and we're just giving some color into our face. And then we're gonna clean up and sharpen our cheeks. So what I'm doing here is we're doing our eyebrows. I usually skip this part and don't put this inside of our video, but today I decided to do it because I did my eyebrows a little different. So after brushing my brows with the spoolie, I'm gonna go ahead and just line under my brow very lightly. Then I'm gonna go back in and diffuse that line with the spoolie again. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just do the other side. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the top. We're gonna do it very light hand, following our natural eyebrow shape. And now I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my eyebrows. Instead of using concealer sometimes is very bright. Instead, I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation to carve out my concealer. So for today's transition shade on my eyelids, I went back in with my Glamour bronzer from Morphe. This is in shade Phenon. And I did go ahead and put that all over my lid. Guys, I didn't even use a cream concealer or an eyeshadow primer. I really want this look to be just very natural and very easy. If you do want to use one, you definitely can, but today I did not use that. So I'm just taking a blending brush, sorry. I'm taking a blending brush and just blending out the edges of my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the Sweet Tea Morphe eyeshadow palette, which I got this from Marshall's, super cheap. I think it was like $20. But I just took those two purple shades, and first I'm putting the matte purple down as a base on my lid, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the shimmer purple shade and put that right over the matte shade, and this just gives a soft, beautiful glam. Oh my god, I feel like this is like bridesmaids friendly, this is date friendly, this is just pretty girl baddie friendly. Like, this look was eating. I was so obsessed, y'all. So I did go ahead, smoke out my waterline with a black liner. Now I'm going back in with the face powder and dusting off any excess powder that was baking. Okay, so we're dusting it off. Do you guys see how flawless my face looks? Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. This is one of my favorite, hands down favorite makeup looks. So I'm doing my typical lip liner. My favorite lip liner is from Nika K, a beauty supply store lip liner. I'm using shade Coffee, and we are just overlining my lips a little bit, but we're just lining that. Then I'm going to take the Keep It On The Hush Cosmetics, and this is in the color Ocean. I'm going to go ahead and take that, and we are just going to use that as our, we're going to go ahead and use that as our nude lip shade. So lastly, we're gonna go ahead, take some highlight, pop it on our nose and under our eyebrows. Oh my god, I can't talk today. Under our eyebrows, and then also lightly on our cheeks. Then with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray, cover your eyes. You don't want to get too much setting spray on your eyes because it can mess up your makeup, but you just want to spray your whole face and dry her down. So this is what the look is looking like. Not only is this makeup so bomb, but this hair is so bomb. It's so pretty, like it's so cute. So this is what I'm looking like, guys. I was so obsessed with this look. Like, this look is everything and some more. Like, please try out this look. I just hope this look was easy to follow. From the hair install to the makeup, this is a complete transformation. I am a whole new person right now. Love this look so freaking much. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of today's video. In today's video, I wanted to go ahead and achieve this beautiful UK inspired soft glam. As you guys know, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm just so obsessed with the techniques that I do, but I did decide to change it up and I'm in love with how my makeup came out. This just looked so good. It looks so soft, but like every detail just stands out on my face between my just such a smooth under eye, my brown lip combo using the Keep It On a Hush cosmetics. We have like the just smoked out eye with still a little color but not too crazy. My blush, my contour, it's just so nice. Like my eyebrows super natural and fluffy. Yeah, I think we're gonna be doing a little bit more looks like this. So if you like this video and you want more content like this, go ahead and comment this secret emoji. Not only does that let me know you watch my videos all the way through, and I love you so much for that, but it lets me know that you guys want more videos like this. Okay, I love giving you guys content like this and I hope you guys love it as much as I love it. Okay, so if you haven't already, join the team and just do it like Nike. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Okay, my channel is all things beauty. We do hair, makeup. Come with me for lifestyle videos, get your nails done. I'm gonna be vlogging more, so if you want to know more about me, stay tuned for that. You can watch my previous vlogs. Also, if you haven't already, which I don't know why you haven't, but give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Stay tuned all the way to the end so you guys can watch some more of my videos. You guys can browse around, watch some makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, vlogs, whatever you want to see. Love you guys so much and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.